So I wanted to just create a quick video regarding the subnetting tool I created that helps students solve a particular kind of subnetting question. Um, so imagine you were given an address such as 192.168.100.23 slash 29, right? What would be the first host, network address, last host, broadcast address associated with 192.168.100.23/29, right? Now, the subnetting calculator will tell you what the correct answer is, and the correct answer is um, the network address is 192.168.100.16. The first host is 100.17. The last host is 100.22, and the broadcast is 100.23. Now, that is the right answer, but how did we derive that answer? So this is a calculator as well as an explanation. It gives you an explanation, right? The steps that are necessary, the procedures that are necessary to derive the correct answer for this kind of problem. So I basically broke it down into 4 steps, and then this thing will tell you what is necessary in those 4 steps, in each of those 4 steps. So, how to find the mask, depending on what was given in this problem. The CIDR was given, so, how would you find the mask or prefix, depending on what was given? If nothing was given, the math associated. Um, and then if you get the mask and prefix correctly, how to find what interesting octet is, what process you use to find what the interesting octet is, what the interesting octet means. Finding the interval, the block size of your subnet, how many hosts are associated, how to write that information down correctly. And then if you're given all that information, so you have the mask and prefix, you have the interesting octet, you have the interval, how to document it correctly so that it can easily be defined. So you can easily tell what hosts are associated with what networks, what network is associated with this host address that you entered. And yeah, this is basically the tool. I hope it helps a lot of students understand the process of subnetting and helps them do better on their Cisco and CompTIA certificate exams.